Over the last decade, shaker bottles have evolved from a gym accessory into a daily essential. Today, they're used everywhere, from professional athletes and fitness brands to wellness communities, active lifestyles, and everyday routines. At ShakerFactory, we specialize in the manufacturing of high-quality private label shaker bottles, pill organizers, and custom fitness accessories. We help brands turn ideas into products, and products into recognizable identities. Whether you come to us with a fully custom design or choose from our proven range of shaker models, we make customization simple. Sizes, colors, materials, finishes, compartments, packaging, every detail tailored to your brand. From sleek protein and meal replacement shakers to advanced multi-compartment and electric models, our product range is designed to meet modern performance needs, all fully customizable, all built for real-world use. Quality is not optional. Our products are leak-proof, BPA-free, and manufactured using food-grade materials that comply with international regulations. Your logo is applied using durable printing methods designed to withstand repeated use, even in the dishwasher. And beyond performance, there's responsibility. Reusable shakers reduce single-use plastics and support more sustainable habits, one shake at a time. ShakerFactory has a strong base in Switzerland, with research, development, and manufacturing in Ningbo, China. From concept to production to delivery, we support brands all over the world. With efficient production processes and some of the fastest lead times in the industry, we help you launch faster and scale with confidence. Whether you're launching a new brand, expanding an existing product line, or looking for a reliable manufacturing partner, ShakerFactory is here to help. Contact us for product information, quotations, or a customized needs assessment. ShakerFactory, your brand built to perform.